Can we get the dog off there?
Come on, puppy.
Pup, you don't belong there.
Come on, Cop. Get down. Come on.
Get your mask out if you get the story.
Good girl.
All right, here we go. Starting the hop harvest. Ready to go. And here we go. Now this is the stripping team.
Yep.
Jeez, I never thought you'd have a bunch of strippers in here.
We're having so much fun stripping.
No leaves.
No leaves.
My section over here is fine. I don't know about over here though.
That's right.
That guy who thinks he's a roofer, he's not doing too good.
I don't know.
Primo right
Not
here.
him, me.
Oh, that is primo. Look at that.
Primo. Look at that. I
Wow.
like that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Art form lives in the Hudson Valley.
So this is our first harvest and the first batch of hops that we harvested from our farm commercially. These are Chinook. You can see we got a couple inches thick in one full tray. It's good. You can't see anything, but this is the drying chamber. I'm going to turn on a light here. Welcome. Enter the secret lair. Whew. It's hot. Specifically, it's about 110 degrees, if you could see that. This is where we're drying our hops. We have the Chinook on top. They've been here for about, well, 6.5 hours so far. They're starting to feel a little bit of dryness. And I weigh them periodically to see if they're at the right moisture content. But so far, not ready yet. But they're feeling really good. Beneath the Chinook is our first little batch of Cascade. They are more dense and feel like they're a lot heavier than the Chinook. Make a lot of rustling noise. They are also drying and will be soon ready for the test module. I will weigh them. We'll see what they feel like. That's it for now.